what the nation has done for you. Ask yourself what you have done for the nation. A very warm good morning to all respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Sanvi from 4A Vilaman Vidyashram Mabakam and I am here to speak on patriotism. Patriotism is commonly misunderstood as only giving life for the country. That's not true. Of course, we should be willing to give our life if our country needs. Patriotism means one who loves his country and works dedicatedly to serve his country. In pre-independence era, when our country was colonized, patriotism is mainly meant fighting for the independence. Today, we need to pay attention in the field of health, education, poverty removal, and women empowerment to contribute for the nation building. We should protect our borders and resources of our country. Our army protecting us, they are guarding us 24/7, even in sub-zero degrees Celsius, leaving friends, family, risking life for the country. That is unlimited patriotism. I salute our army for their bravery. One can be patriotism in many ways, like by helping the poor in need, by doing social service, by keeping the country clean, by removing illiteracy and child labor from the country. At last, I would like to say that I feel proud to be a citizen of India. I truly inspired to do something for my country. We should develop a sense of love and compassion to all others. Mera Bharat Mahan! Jai Hind! Thank you.
Good morning to the respected principal, teacher, and my dear friends. I am Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. I was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. I was one of the greatest freedom fighters. I always wore a simple dhoti made from khadi. I believed in simple living and high thinking. Started non-violent movements to gain freedom from British rule. Under my able guidance, India became free on 15th August 1947. I was also called as father of our nation. Jai Hind! Thank you.
Patriotism can be defined as the love for the nation to the extent of sacrificing your life for the betterment of it. A person who supports his or her own country and always be ready to defend it against enemies is called a patriot. A true patriot is always considered to be the backbone of the nation. Patriotism is always required for the growth of a nation. Patriots will always think about the development of the country. Patriotism can be tested only when the country is in struggle, like a sudden outbreak of pandemic, national emergency, or any natural disaster. Freedom fighters are the best example that showcases patriotism. During the struggle for independence, all that our freedom fighters wanted was independence from the British rule, and together they achieved it. Showcasing our patriotism only on Independence Day and Republic Day will not help us in any way. Let us show the patriotism in each and every action in our life.